scene, somebody go pick that pussy up. Heard they stay right around the corner. I told B5, go get a truck. If he buck, he out of luck. Got shit popping on my own, then old niggas lace my truck. We come out at nighttime, you better go and hide, little boy. I pray that we find that boy. I feel like an island boy. All this triple make you drown. I swear I don't need no stylist, boy. Throw that mask on like a clown, so please don't play me like no toy. They got me on bullshit, I'm riding with a full clip. Niggas think he macho man, he gon' get his soul real. Little bitch do whatever I say, she might just jump up off a cliff. All these blues up in my pocket, you think my baby brother grip. I'm just being humble until I hit another hunter. Young nigga who pop that shit for real can fuck a nigga mama. In his sister, in his auntie, ain't no nigga gonna stop me. I can't even say them boys are ops, cause they ain't never shot me.
Roll the wood, I stuck this bitch. Miss me with that sucker shit. Told you not to go there with no hoe, so why you trust the bitch? Might just go out of town, me and look down and hit a couple licks. My pockets too skinny, big ass knot, I can't even fold the neck. Bitch, you can't run from them clockers. You can try to run, but these 223, they run faster. When it's up and stuck, don't give a fuck, might slide the pastor. Push a piece at 13, bitch, I'm a real dropper. Pop a perk, it drill time. I'ma take 100 niggas before they kill mine. Talking shit behind the wall, but you ain't got no shield now. Told mama ain't no saving me, I'm in that field now. Yeah, this shit getting real hard. Never thought we'd get this far, we used to steal cars. Shiesty nigga, got a couple nigga, they still raw. Don't try that shit again, bitch, we could've killed y'all.
We could've killed them boys that night, I guess the God was with them bitches. Percocets and Casamigo, probably fucking up my kidney. Ever hop